Okay, so you need to reach a large group of customers at the next industry trade show. The problem is the high cost of these events and limited capacity. Also, people who are too distant or simply unable to come to a physical location. Well, now there's a solution that provides the impact of a live trade show without the hassle and expense of one. Industry Connect. Industry Connect is a virtual trade show for the oil and gas industry that enables you to engage with your target audience online, reducing costs and maximizing reach. Anyone can attend from anywhere and from any device, whether they're home, at the office, or on the move. Here's how it works. Visitors arrive at your virtual booth, can browse images, videos, documents, all of which can be downloaded. You can interact with attendees in real time through text and video chat. You can even host webinars to further highlight your products and host live Q&A sessions. You get to network, connect, and gather leads. And after the event, you get a detailed report to help you understand your ROI. All of this with no additional overhead costs. No hassle, no restrictions. Network and connect on your own terms. You save on costs, maximize your reach, and get to truly measure results. We make it easy for you. Reserve your space today and let us do the rest. 5-Star Media Group, creating connection and delivering results for the oil and gas industry.